Hey, what's up, people? Welcome to another lesson of Microsoft Word 2019 lesson. In this lesson, we are going to get familiar with basics of typing in Microsoft Word environment. In previous lessons, we learned how to create Microsoft Word document, how to save them, how to open a new document, and different formats of saving a document in Microsoft Word. In this lesson, we are going to get into basics of typing. All you need to do, the first step, you need to left click on anywhere in the blank sheet that you see in front of you. And then you can start typing down words, letters by simply using your keyboard. Let's type BZ. Now let's get into more details. Let's pay close attention to this line that is flashing. This is called insertion point. When you're typing letters, the insertion point appears right where the word or the letter is going to be. And the size of that insertion point differs. It becomes bigger or smaller by changing the font size. Let's type L. So L appears right where the insertion point is. And then insertion point moves to the right so you can type down the next letter. Let's type learner. Pay attention how insertion point moves. Now if you want to space between letters or words, use the space key on your keyboard. Now, how can we type a capital letter? If you would like to type a capital letter, simply hold down your shift key on your keyboard and press the letter you want to type. For symbols, hold down shift key on your keyboard. Usually there are two shift keys on keyboards, one on the right hand side and one on the left hand side. Hold down the shift key, and as you can see, there are numbers, and above numbers there are symbols. By holding down shift key and pressing any of those numbers, you can type the corresponding symbol. But if you would like to type down the whole text or maybe the whole letter in capital, well, holding down shift key is going to be a little bit inconvenient. So let's try caps lock. So right above shift key on the left hand side of your keyboard, there is a key called caps lock. So when you click on caps lock, your caps lock turns on. Press caps lock and start typing. You will see that all the letters are going to be in capital, and you don't need to hold down the shift key the whole time. Now let's switch back. All you need to do, you need to turn off your caps lock. Press caps lock one more time and start typing. You'll see that the letters are going to be small again. In order to go to the next line, press enter. You can use backspace to delete what you have typed. This is how backspace works. Pay close attention to the insertion point. If you start pressing backspace, it starts erasing the letters one by one from right to left. And there is another key you can use to delete letters or words, which is delete. Right above backspace, there is a key on your keyboard named delete. Now, the difference between backspace and delete is this. So remember I told you backspace starts deleting from the insertion point backwards, so from right to left. Delete starts deleting the letters or words from the insertion point forward, so from left to right. You can use your mouse, you see the mouse cursor, you can click anywhere in your text that you want to delete. Let's click here after B. Now you can use backspace or delete to erase the letters you have typed. You can also add letters or words to this text. Again, use your mouse, place the cursor where you want, left click, insertion point appears, and then you can start typing. And again, this was just the basics of typing. It was maybe 1% of the features, well, in terms of typing that Microsoft has to offer. In the upcoming lessons, we'll get into details of all these features. That was just the basic. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. And if you would like to check the next video, you can see it on the right hand side and the previous lesson on the left hand side. Make sure you subscribe and click on the bell button so you'll be notified as soon as we drop a new video. Peace!